Hi guys, in this video we'll be doing step 4 of the chapter 3 lab 3.2 multiple area OSPF with stub areas and authentication. I have changed chairs so that annoying freaking squeak in the background will not be present. So any noises you hear will be me, bodily functions and all. Anyway, so I digress. Let's jump right in, shall we? Now I'm in router 3. Go into enable mode, show IP route. And there we go. As you can see, OSPF is running. Now this is the code for OSPF. This is the code for IA, which you will notice OSPF into area. Okay, and the straight up O is just the OSPF. Okay, cool. So we've done now. What's next? Okay, so we're still in router 3 and OSPF is running. Now we'll just jump over to router 2. Go into enable mode, show IP route, because I love redundancy. Yep, and as you can see, there are the updates. Cool. And because it's in area 0, there are no OSPF into area routes in here, so it's all O. Cool. So in here we'll do a show IP OSPF database. Now these commands are super important that you learn because they will super be in all your exams, and you will super need to know how to do them and reference them. It's one of the bastard things in all the exams because everything else you sort of know, but with show commands and stuff, like just very much like debug commands, you really do use that tab key just to prompt you what the options are, and you don't know them off by heart, so they're really important that you should know these. And the only way to learn them is basically doing labs, so there's no real cheap, easy way around. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so here we've got the database, the link IDs. This is area 0. This is all the information for area 0. And here we have information for area 23. Cool. Alrighty. So now we go in here on the router 2, conf T, and we go to router OSPF, process ID number 1, and then we go area 23. And you can do a question mark here, and you got a whole bunch of options. Now the option we're going to go for is stub, and we're going to go no auto summary. Okay. Now if we go back to router 3, okay, cool, bam, as you can see, an update's occurred. Adjacency has been forced. Now go back to router 3. Now we do a show IP route. Now as you can see here, these are the details we had before. Okay, now watch the difference. Bam. As you can tell, all those routes have been reduced, and I'll just move this up a little bit. Bam. So basically you've just turned that into a stub with no auto summary. Okay. Profile, the timer has expired. Okay. Okay, now if we go into a show IP OSPF, area 23, show IP OSPF neighbors. None. What's going on there?